Hello, this is Josie's tortoise. He loves these flowers.
She named him Keiko.
Yep.
He's chowing down.
He's so cute.
Here, can I get over here quick so I can get a better view?
His food dish that he's supposed to eat today is way over there.
Yeah, but he ate some this morning from his indoor food dish. But I guess he just wanted these flowers. He's eating the leaves and the flowers. It looks all muddy just because I planted grass in here and then I watered the grass seed. So hopefully in a week or two I'll have some grass
That he can eat.
Ooh, yummy flower. That's a little hidey hole in there. He went in there yesterday.
Yeah, he has 3 hidey holes.
That half a pot and this little area.
Yeah, he can go like wee wee wee.
And he's been in all of them. And the rocks are good for his nails too. So hopefully he runs across that big flat rock and it'll be like trim his nails.
Yeah, like this. Like this. I need to trim my nails.
Yeah. You're gonna eat this whole plant? I'm gonna have to buy a new one. I was thinking he couldn't get up there. I was thinking that this would get to grow big before I gave it to him, but he found a way. Ooh, you're straining to get up there.
Try to put him up there.
No, let him try. I want to see if he can do it.
He didn't a minute ago. He got all the way up there. Right?
Yeah, he did. Go, Keiko, go.
Go!
Use those muscles.
Use muscles!
He's like, never mind. That's too
Here,
hard.
watch me. You go like this.
No, don't put him up. Oh, okay. Yeah.
Me.
If you can't get up there, that's good. So the plant will get to grow a little. You full now? You're gonna go in your hole. Bye. Wanna say bye?
Hey.